Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain about one important pattern of binary option trading. This is harami pattern, and I will try to explain first the difference between harami pattern and inside bar pattern. Okay, first of all, I am drawing this is bearish candlestick, and when we get another candlestick, bullish candlestick, and this bullish candlestick exactly start from the closing price and create like this type of, that means below 50% level of this bullish candle, then we can call this is a inside bar pattern. Okay, and if we see this type of situation, that this is a bearish candle, and after this bearish candlestick market create a bullish candlestick, that little jump up from the opening price of this bearish candlestick. This is the closing price of this bearish candlestick. So when we see market little jump up from this closing price of this bearish candlestick, and this candle create like this type of this shape, this bullish this candlestick shape, very weak candlestick, then it's a very perfect one. But sometimes we may get this candlestick as a large candlestick, so just we have to just adjust it like this type of. So this is also okay, but when the bullish candlestick very small candlestick like this type of, and it very near to this closing price of this bearish candlestick, then it's a very perfect one. Okay, so suppose market create this candlestick. The main difference of this bullish harami pattern and inside bar pattern is in this case, this bullish candle little jump up, and this bullish candlestick exactly open from the closing price of this bearish candle. So when market create this situation, so this is the inside bar pattern. So, and another pattern, this one, this is the bullish harami pattern. So when this candlestick exactly start, exactly open from the closing price of this bearish candle, so then it's a very perfect one as a inside bar pattern. So which direction inside bar pattern is the up direction or down direction? This is totally different thing. I will explain, but first of all, I am trying to explain the formation. So formation is like this type of, this is inside bar, and formation of bullish harami pattern is this one. So in this case of bullish harami pattern is just looking like a pregnant woman. So pregnant woman, that means this is the mother candle and this is the baby candle. So mother candle, this is the belly part, and inside of this belly part, this is the bullish candlestick, weak bullish candlestick. So that's why this bullish harami setup is looking like a pregnant woman, but this situation is not like that. So if we draw here this part as a belly part, the baby is below the belly. That's why it's not a perfect setup of bullish harami pattern. So this is the inside bar pattern, but this one, this is the bullish harami pattern. So now how we can place our trade, and in this case, how we can place our trade. So the market totally two different side market. In this case, market must uptrend market, and in this case, market must in a downtrend market. Okay, now I am trying to explain what's the market condition, and when this type of bullish harami setup will work very perfectly, how we can trust that yes, this is the time we can place our trade with high confidence, and we can add the volume also here. Okay, so now try to understand here. Suppose market started to going up from this area. So this is a buyer's entry point area, or there is no buyer's entry point area. Previously, market when came to this area, it created a reversal setup, and after that, market going up or range, and finally or market created a range and finally range breakout happened to the upward direction. That means resistance level breakout happened. Okay. And another situation here. Okay. This was a level of the market, previous market level. So market is moving now below this level. That means this level will act as a resistance level. Okay. So suppose market movement is like this type of, and market going to the upward direction. Okay. Market going to the upward direction from here. So when market came near to this area, this time breakout happened. Okay. So after breakout, market retest the breakout level. Now when market above, this will act as a support level. So resistance becomes support. So now market got rejected like this and goes up. Okay. So it was a momentum previously. That's why breakout happened. And after breakout, market again going up. Okay. So now when market create this two candlestick after breakout, market start reversing from this area. Okay. So suppose market create this candlestick and then market create another candlestick here. Okay. And it came near to this area. Previously it was a resistance. Now market again came back to this area. So sometimes market got rejected and closed like this type of area, little above, or sometimes market may close exactly at this level like this. Okay. So after closing of this candlestick, it already closed at the support level, support area. So above the support level. So now if the next candlestick, market created next candlestick as a bullish candle and it little jump up from this support area like this. So now this is the situation. This is looking like the pregnant woman. So this is mother candle, this is baby candle. So now we can call, yes, it's a bullish harami pattern. And we will not call this one as a inside bar pattern. Okay. So when market create this situation, just we have to follow one thing, that previously it was a very strong market by the buyer side, and previously it was a resistance level. After breakout, after sometimes market again came back to this level and next candle little jump up. That means previously it was a high pressure by the buyer side. Now after this pullback, buyers again enter in the market but little jump up. So in this case, we can place our trade to the upward direction. But the very perfect way of trading in this case, if we see market, okay, in this case, the very perfect way of placing a trade is we have to just wait. If market give us opportunity that if market came little below, or sometimes market may came little below like here or little below here to the below the support level. So we can easily place our trade here to the upward direction. Then it will be give us a very, very perfect winning ratio. And in this case, the 98% chance that we may win this trade. So if we can take margin of safety like this type of, but most of the time after this type of market condition, it will go up. So this is the bullish harami setup. Okay, now we can add CWRV color sense rules here. By applying CWRV color sense rule in this setup, we can easily take another confirmation from the volume side. Then it winning ratio more high. That means no possibility to loss this trade. So, and what happened? Market again start going up and it may break this level directly by another candlestick, or this candlestick may break this level like this, and finally market again go up, or market may go up slowly, slowly like this type of another candlestick, another candlestick. Okay, in this case, now if we see market again reverse and started to falling down like this from this area. Okay, by creating a candlestick pattern. Suppose it's create a bearish engulfing pattern, and previously for the first time it was acting as a resistance level in this case. Then breakout happened, then market again came back to this area. That means it's a support area now, and market again starts to going up. So when market came to this area, think that it's a strong area by the seller side. Okay, market created a bearish engulfing pattern. After that, market again started to falling down like this. Okay, so now if we see, market already created a momentum type situation here, and finally this area breakout happened. Okay, so this area breakout happened. That means this level breakout happened by a bearish candlestick. So in this case, if we see, market when break this level, after breakout, market created a retracement candlestick here like this type of, okay, retracement candlestick here like this type of, and it's a very weak candlestick by the buyer side. Okay, so now there is no jump up here. This is the closing price of this bearish candle, and exactly from this closing price of this bearish candle, market created a bullish candlestick, no jump up. This candle started just at the closing price of this bearish candlestick and close below the resistance level here. So now this is the perfect setup of inside bar pattern. Now what we can do in this case, so market, it's just an example that market came to after this situation, market again started to falling down from here. Market may go more up, and market may created several waves to the same direction, and market may then break any types of level, and after that this situation, not only like this type of, just it's an example. So when market break this type of support level, now after breakout, now this is again acting as a resistance level because the market below, level above. So when market create this situation, when market little goes up, we can place our trade from little above this level to the downward direction for 1 minute. So it will give us winning trade also, because this is the perfect setup of inside bar, and this is the perfect setup of bullish harami pattern. So the main difference between bullish harami setup is this one. So some traders, what they think, this is a shape of uptrend market setup. No, it's a very perfect setup for downtrend market as a inside bar setup, and this is the very perfect setup at the uptrend market. That's why no need to be confused between this bullish harami setup and the inside bar setup. So this is all about today's topic. So if anybody want to learn price action, VSS, CWRV, Delta River and Forex, contact me by Telegram at the rate TRUSTEDBNRY and WhatsApp +88017417789886. So thanks for watching my videos.